Hi everyone, this is our 8th video under the GCSE topic revision guide. The subject called tangents and circles. Let's look at the theory behind this subject and get into the exam style questions. Let's look at the theory behind this subject. First one, how to find the equation of the tangent. So the tangent is the line which touch the circle at one point. So in this example, the point P is 3, 6 is the point where the tangent is drawn, and the center is 0, 0, and the radius, the line is drawn in red color, and you can clearly mark the tangent in blue color line. Note, radius and tangent meets at 90 degrees. So there are 3 steps to follow. Step 1, find the gradient of the OP. So gradient of the OP, so gradient M means gradient of OP. So we have 2 coordinates, 3, 6 is one of the coordinate and 0, 0 is the other coordinate. So how to find the gradient? Difference of y, so 6 minus 0. Difference of x, 3 minus 0. So 6 minus 0 is 6. 3 minus 0 is 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So gradient of this radius line is 2. Find the gradient of the tangent line. So gradient of the tangent. So gradient of the tangent is a perpendicular line. So you need to say minus reciprocal. So negative reciprocal. So 2 upon 1 means if you flip 1 upon 2. So equation of the tangent line is y equal minus half x plus intercept c. So we need to find the intercept by substituting the 3, 6 coordinate. So 3, 6 the coordinate, the line is passing through that point. So 3 is the x coordinate, 6 is the y coordinate. So 6 equal minus half times 3 plus c. So c equal 6 plus 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 is 1.5. So 1.5 plus 6 is 7.5. So that means 15 over 2 is the c. So the equation of the line is y equal minus half x plus 15 over 2. So that is the equation of the tangent line. Let's look at the exam style question. You can download this tutorial from our website at www.smarttutorscom.uk/worksheet.php. Under the year 11 section, you can download this tangent and circles tutorial. Question number 1. Construct the graph of x squared plus y squared equal 9. So for this circle, the center point is going to be 0, 0. And the radius of the circle is going to be 3. Square root of 9 is 3. So we need to draw a graph, radius 3 and the center of the circle is 0, 0. So let me do a graph just to make sure it's going through the 3, 3 and it's going through the all 3, 3 and center is 0, 0. So that is the first part question. Second part, by drawing the line x plus y equal 1 on the grid, solve the equation. So this is a simultaneous equation. So simultaneous equation with the quadratic. The first one is the circle and the second one is going to be the straight line. So this is a circle and second one is going to be the straight line. So this is straight line. So how to draw a straight line? So I'll make it as a y equal minus x plus 1. So this is a straight line. So at least minimum I need a 3 points to draw the graph. So this is a x and y. Let's say minus 1 and let's say 0 and 1. So I'm taking the 3 points and I'm going to check what is the y point? So minus 1 time minus is plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, 0 is 1, 1 is 1, minus 1 is minus 1, plus 1 is 0. So the coordinates are minus 1 2, 0 1 and 1 comma 0. So I'm going to plot the point minus 1 2. So minus 1 2, so which is roughly here, 0 1 and 1 0. So I'm going to draw the line in a different color. So that is going through 3 points. So my graph is not that accurate, but this is the way to do. So that is the straight line and that is the graph, and they're asking you to solve and find the solution. So intersection points is going to be the solution. So the intersection point of the first one, so it's going to be roughly is 2 point roughly 6 or something. So the first answer is 2.6 and the y answer is going to be minus 1.4. So minus 1.4. So basically what you're doing is finding the x coordinate of this one. I got 2.6 minus 1.4. That is one of the solution, and the second solution is somewhere here. So you need to find out the coordinate of the x and y. X is going to be minus 1.7 and the y is going to be 2.5. So that is the solution of the question number 1. Question number 2. The line L is a tangent to the circle x squared plus y squared equal 45 at the point minus 3 6. The line L crosses the x-axis at the point P. Work out the coordinates of P. Just roughly do a sketch. So we are going to have a x-axis and y-axis. So it's going to be, this is x-axis and this is going to be the y-axis, and the next one is going to be the tangent line. So the tangent line is minus 3 6. Let's say tangent line is going to go through somewhere here. So that is the extended x-axis. Now mark everything. So this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis and this is the tangent, and equation of the circle is x squared y squared. So center is 0 0. Square root of 45 is the radius, which we don't know at the moment, and I'm connecting this tangent point to the center, and that also important. So just to rub this off. Right, okay, let's start. So the point, we don't have a point here, so the P is the point I mark. The coordinate of the P is minus 3 comma 6 is the point, and O is the origin point, and so let's make it, this is R and this is the intersection point at the x-axis is P, right? So now how can we find out the coordinate of the P? Is first of all find out the equation of the tangent line, then solve the tangent line to find out the P coordinate. We'll go one by one. So first of all, gradient of OP. So difference of y coordinate 6 minus 0, difference of x coordinates minus 3 minus 0, which is 6 over minus 3, which is minus 2. Then gradient of the tangent is negative reciprocal. So negative of minus 2 is 2, reciprocal is half. So the equation of the tangent line is y equal half x plus c. So if that is the tangent line, we can find out by substituting by minus 3, 6. This is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. So 6 equal half times minus 3 plus c. So c equal 6 plus 3 over 2. So 1.5, this one 1.5, so 7.5, so 15 over 2 is the c. So the equation is y equal half x plus 15 over 2 is the equation of the line. That line is intersecting at x-axis. The beauty about the x-axis is all the y coordinates in the x-axis is 0. So when y equal 0, so you get 0 equal half x plus 15 over 2. So half x equal minus 15 over 2. I'm timesing by both sides by 2, so x equal minus 15. So the answer is x equal minus 15 comma 0. So that is the coordinate of the p. So the coordinate of the p is minus 15 comma 0. Question number 3. On the grid, draw the graph x squared plus y squared equal 4. So from this one we can find out center is 0, 0 and the radius is 2. So all what you want to do is just to draw a graph. Radius is 2 and the center is about 0, 0. So I'm just trying to do the right graph. That's it. So if you see this one, so it's you can see center is 0, 0 and the radius is 2. So it's touching minus 2 plus 2, 2 and minus 2 and the center is 0. So that is the answer for the question number 3. So question number 4. Here is a circle x squared plus y squared equal 25 with the center 0. The tangent to the circle at the point 3 minus 4. Find the equation of the tangent point. So all what we want to do is, it's the same method. So connect the radius, the center and the point. We call this as P, right? And this is O. We know this is a center point, 0, 0. So the method to do this question is same. Gradient of OP is minus 4 minus 0 and 3 minus 0, which is minus 4 over 3. So gradient of the tangent is the perpendicular line is negative reciprocal, so 4 over 3. So the equation of the tangent line is equal to y equal 4/3 x plus c. So this is going to be a 90 degrees and the point 3 comma minus 4 is going to be there. So minus 4 equal 4 upon 3, x is 3 plus c, 3 and 3 cancel. So c is equal to minus 4 minus 4. So c equal to minus 8. So the equation of the tangent line is y equal 4/3 x minus 8. So that is the answer for the question number 4. So let's look at the question number 5. The line L is a tangent to the circle x squared plus y squared equal 60. At the point 28, they are drawing a tangent. Work out the equation of the line L. So let's quickly draw a circle and a tangent line. So the tangent line is here and let's assume this is the center and this is the point P. So let's quickly work out. This is the P, this is the 2 comma 8 and 0 0 is the center, and equation of the circle, from there you can find out the center of the circle, and equation of the line L is the same method. What we are going to do, gradient of OP 8 minus 0 over 2 minus 0, so 8 over 2 which is 4. So gradient of the tangent is minus reciprocal, so minus 1 upon 4. Always remember 4 upon 1. If you flip 1 upon 4, so the equation is y equal minus 1 upon 4x plus c. So the point 2 comma 8 is passing through that line. So y, which is 8, equal minus 1 upon 4, x is 2 plus c. So 2 1s and 2 2s, so minus half go other side, so c equal 8.5, so which is 17 over 2. So that is the answer for the c. So the equation is going to be y equal minus quarter x plus 17 over 2. So that is the equation of the tangent line. Answer for the question number 5. Question number 6, same concept. The line L is a tangent to this circle. So the only problem I have is this circle is not the normal circle. We need to find out the center point of that circle. So let's quickly draw a tangent line. So this is the tangent line, and let's mark all the information there. So the center point is not 0 0. Center point this time is minus 2 and minus 1. The reason why minus 2 minus 1, you know how to predict the center's circle, center point, and the radius is 5. Center point is going to be minus 2 minus 1. That's a separate tutorial. Our topic revision, if you see the tutorial 7, which explain how to find out the center and the radius from a circle. So center point of the circle is found here, and the P point here is 1 comma 5. Now they are asking to find out the tangent equation. Same method again, gradient of the OP, if you call this as a O, so M of OP, M stand for gradient. So 5 minus minus 1, 1 minus minus 2 equal 5 plus 1 is 6, 1 plus 2 is 3, so 6 divided by 3 is 2. So M of tangent is a negative reciprocal. So negative reciprocal means minus half. So equation of the line is y equal minus half x plus c. So 1 comma 5 is the point. 5 equal minus half times 1, which is minus half, plus c. So c is going to be 5.5, so which is 11 over 2. So the final answer for the question number 6 is y equal minus half x plus 11 over 2. So that is the equation of the question number 6. Question number 7. The diagram shows the circle x squared plus y squared equals 17. P lies on the circle and has the x coordinate 1. The tangent at P intersects the x-axis at R. Work out the coordinate of R. So let's draw the circle first. So the diagram is not given actually. So there's a circle and the x-axis is going through the origin. So that is the x-axis and the y-axis. So let's mark this one. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and the center of the circle is 0, 0, and the radius of the circle, if you want, is root 17, and P lies on the circle and has the x coordinate 1. So if radius is 7, this is more than 4. So radius is more than 4 means this length radius is 4. So x coordinate 1 means so P lies. So the P is going to be somewhere here. So that P's x coordinate is going to be 1, and we don't know what is the y coordinate. the tangent at P intersects the x-axis at R. So we're going to draw a tangent line at P and it's intersecting at R. So this is the R, and I'm going to draw a radius with a different color. So that shows a 90 degrees to the P here. So this is 90 degrees. And now the important thing is they haven't given the y coordinates. Let's say x squared plus y squared equals 17. So when x equal 1, so you can substitute 1 squared plus y squared equals 17. So y squared equals 17 minus 1, which is 16. So y squared 16 means y equal plus or minus 4. Minus 4 is not possible, so they already said it's going to be here, this side, right hand side. So it has to be positive 4. So y is, I'm going to put y equal plus 4. So if I say 1 is the x coordinate, here this is going to be the minus 4, right? So if I say the P's coordinate can be 1 comma 4 or 1 comma minus 4, right? You can take anything. So I'll take the positive value. So I'm going to find out the gradient. So gradient of OP. So y minus y coordinates. So this is 1 comma 4. So 4 minus 0 divided by 1, take away 0. So 4 divided by 1, the answer is 4. So gradient of OP is 4. So gradient of tangent is negative reciprocal minus 1 upon 4. So y equal minus 1 upon 4 x plus c. So this is the equation, but we need to find out the c. For c, you already know the values of 1 and 4. So let's target that one. So 1 comma 4. So 1 comma 4 means y coordinate is 4 minus 1 upon 4, x is 1. So times 1 plus c. So c is going to be 4 plus 1 upon 4. So 17 over 4. So the answer for the question number 7 is y equal minus 1 upon 4x plus 17 upon 4. But they are asking the coordinate of the r. So r is going to be in the x-axis. So y coordinate is going to be 0. So y coordinate is 0 minus 1 upon 4x plus 17 upon 4. So if you sort this one, x will be 17. So answer for the r coordinate is 17, 0. Question number 8. The line L is a tangent to x squared plus y squared equal 90. And at the point 3, 9, the line L crosses the x-axis at the point Q. Work out the area of the triangle OPQ. So same situation here. So there's a circle there and a tangent is drawn. So which is like this, and the x-axis is going through this one and the y-axis is going through like that, right? So a rough diagram will be nice. So 0, 0 is the center, and the radius and the P point is going to be the 90 degrees. So this is 90 and the P point is 3, 9. So P is 3, 9, O is 0, 0, and we need to find out the x-axis. This is Q. They are asking the area of the triangle OPQ. First of all, first thing first. So gradient of OP is 9 minus 0, which is 9, 3 minus 0 is 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. So gradient of the tangent is negative reciprocal. So negative minus 1 upon 3. So y equal minus 1 upon 3x plus c. Now we need to substitute 3 comma 9. So 9 is going to be y coordinate minus 1 upon 3 times 3 plus c. 3 and 3 cancel, minus 1 goes other side, so c becomes 10. So the equation of the straight line y equal minus 1 upon 3x plus 10. Then when y equals 0, this will be, so minus 1/3 x plus 10. So x will be, if you do the maths solving equation, x equal 30. What does that mean is the q coordinate is 30 comma 0. So if I change a different color, let's use a purple color. So this length is 30. The OQ is 30. And this height, the y coordinate, if I draw a perpendicular line from here to here, is the length of the y coordinate, which is 9. So the area, is half base height. So half base is 30 and the height is 9. So 2 goes into 15. 15 times 9, 135 unit square. That is the area of the triangle OPQ. Question number 9. Two tangents drawn to a circle x squared plus y squared equal 80 with center O. Coordinates of A and there's a B missing here in the tutorial. Coordinates of B here 8 comma 4. So coordinates of A is 8 minus 4 and coordinates of B is 8 comma 4. And the center of the circle is 0 0. So from here we can find out 0 0. And now what they are asking is both tangents are intersecting at P. Find the coordinates of P. So this is going to be a, so you're going to do the 2 times here. So this is the 90 degrees because radius and the tangents are 90 degrees. Right, okay, so this is 0 comma 0. So let's say start with the m gradient of OB, which is 4 minus 0 4, 8 minus 0 8, so half. So gradient of PB, which is minus reciprocal, so negative 2. So y equal minus 2x plus c. So you substitute 8 comma 4, which is in the line. So 4 equal minus 16 plus c. So c equal 20. So the one of the line we found y equal minus 2x plus 20. So that is one of the line. And we're going to do the same method for the next one. So m of OA, which is minus 4 minus 0 and 8 minus 0. So which is going to be minus 4 over 8. So this is going to be minus half. So gradient of PA, which is 2, negative reciprocal. So y equal 2x plus c. So the coordinates are 8 comma minus 4. So minus 4 equals 16 plus c. So c equal minus 20. So here this is the c. So the equation of the straight line is y equal 2x minus 20. So we found two equations. So the two equation intersecting at P means we need to solve the two equations. So easiest way to do, so y equal minus 2x plus 20 is one of the line, y equal 2x minus 20 another line. So we equate this one, so minus 2x plus 20 equal to 2x minus 20. So basically solve this equation to find the x comma y. So when I equate this one, so minus 2x coming this side plus 2x with 2x is 4x, minus 20 go other side, 20 plus 20 is 40, 4x 40 mean x equal 10. So x equal 10, and we found y, so y equal 2x minus, so 20 minus 20 is 0. So y equals 0. So the P coordinate is going to be 10, comma 0. Question number 10. The line L1 is a tangent to circle x squared plus y squared equal 4 at the point 2, comma 1. The line L2 is a tangent to the circle at the point Q. Both tangents are intersecting at point R. Find the coordinate of the point R. So the point Q is lying on the x-axis and tangent to the circle. So let's do some investigation on this one. So this circle is x squared plus y squared equal 4. So the center point is going to be 0, 0. So let me mark that one quickly, 0, comma 0. And the radius is the square root of 4, which is 2. So the Q coordinate is going to be 2, comma 0, because this length is going to be 2 and this is 2, comma 0. So the line, vertical line passing through the 2, it's going to be x equal 2 line. So vertical line passing through 2 is x equal 2. Now we do the normal method of finding the gradient and the tangent equation. So this is 90 degrees. So m of OP, which is 1 minus 0 over 2 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is 1, 2 minus 0 is 2. So half is the gradient of that. So gradient of the tangent is negative reciprocal. So which is negative 1 over 2 flip, other way around, minus 2. So y equal minus 2x plus c. So 2, comma 1 is the point we need to substitute. 1 equal minus 2 times 2 plus c. So 1 plus 4 equals c. So we found c equal 5. So the equation of the straight line y equal minus 2x plus 5 is the equation. So that equation is the line L1. So let me mark this one. This is L1. L2 is x equal 2. So x equal 2 is L2. So the intersection point R we need to solve. So y equal minus 2x plus 5. So sub x equal 2. So y equal minus 4 plus 5. So y is going to be 1. So the coordinate of R is going to be 2, comma 1. So that is the coordinate of the R, 2, comma 1. That is the end of our video. I hope you like the video. If you do like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see all the upcoming videos under the topic revision. You can download our tutorial from our website at www.smart-tutors.co.uk/worksheet.php. Thank you.